6L80 torque converter pressure test. 120 psi. And now we check this weld and the one on the torque converter neck here. Soapy water. There is an issue. To hold that tool in there so you can test the pressure, it needs to be pressing up against that. If we tighten that up, we'll end up closing a possible crack in the torque converter neck. So what we do is we get the tool post and rest it up against the torque converter housing. You can see there's about 2 mil gap there, so there's no pressure of this tool pressing on that converter neck. We've only got the converter pressurized to 120 psi. All good. Let the pressure out. Don't forget to check out our channel, Yep That's It, all one word. Thank you for watching.